Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a review and what to expect video for the Samsung C&T ITFIT BE7. So I don't know why is Samsung actually doing this long names. So anyways, let's go ahead, open this up, see what do we get in this, and then we'll be talking more about this. So that's what you get. You get the user manual, a micro USB charging cable, two extra ear tips. So you have the medium one here, large and small here, and then the earphone itself. Now let's move all this aside and take a closer look at the earphone. So this is how it looks like. It's quite compact. If I compare it with my other similar kind of earphones, this one is quite compact. Now you have this small rubber earphone which goes around your ear. Now this cannot be removed. So I tried actually removing it, pulling it out, but it did not come off. But it's very comfortable. It's very light. You have this over here. This design is a little different. This does not go in completely inside your ear. It stays a little outside. You can actually try other earbuds. You can try smaller ones, bigger ones. You can make it go in a little bit, but then the angle goes off a little inwards. Now this fin actually takes support from the back of your ear, so this fit is actually very nice. Now this is not going to be a earphone for people who want to use it while they are while they are riding, when they want to put it inside the helmet. This is not going to fit because this is so big, but this is the kind of earphone you can use for your walking, jogging, gymming, all those kind of activity, because this will remain in your ear and it will not fall off. So let's take a closer look. So this is how it looks like. The build quality on this is really nice. For the price you get good build quality. You have these fins. Now I would have liked if you had extra fins like this, but this is the only one you get. The only thing you can change is this one. That's it, nothing there. You just have the branding here, Samsung C&T ITFIT. Then you have this nice red color wire, which I really like. The fluorescent red really looks good. I don't know how long will it take for this to straighten out, because they actually tie it like that and then send it. So I don't like that part, but hopefully this straightens out fast. They should have just made it go round so it comes out in a better shape. Now this is that way. Now let's go to the right hand side. So right hand side has three buttons: the volume down, volume up, and the power button. Now this power button is for pairing also, and to answer the reject call. All of that works from here. So at the bottom you have the charging port. So you have the the flap over there. You open that up and then put the micro USB charger here. So all in all, good build quality. I'm really impressed. For the price, this is really good. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I've actually tested it for one day. So the sound quality on this is very nice, very bassy sound. So it's for the Indian market. Now I will test it more and then talk more about it. I will be taking it out today and then use it for a few days, and then we'll be talking more about this, how good or bad this is going to be. So you've seen the video. So let's talk about what is my personal experience. So I actually like this a lot. This is one of so I've used the Beats Power Beats, so that's similarly designed, a little more bigger, and I like the sound of that, but the noise isolation was not that great. With this, the noise isolation is pretty good. So they've designed it in a way where this hook keeps it in the ear, and this fin at the back gives extra support from the back and then pushes it in, keeps it in. So I really like this design. This is not going to be for someone who wants to use it for maybe, I mean, their main focus is phone calls, because the mic is so far. So it's over here. Now it's very comfortable. In case you're talking to someone, you can just lift it up like that and then leave it. You don't have to manage it that way, and it's comfortable. You can use it wherever. The only problem is if you're maybe biking, you cannot use this. This cannot be worn under a helmet. If you want to use it for phone calls, it's okay. It's not that great. The sound is, I mean, it's too far. If you are maybe cycling or something, or if you're in a windy situation, or if you're biking or whatever without a helmet, this is absolutely rubbish. because this catches all the sound, because the mic is right in front over here, so it takes all the wind. So in windy situation this is not good, but this is not mainly focused for calling. This is focused for sports, for the gym, for active person who wants to use it for all those purpose, and picking a phone call is an extra. Then this is fine. So it works fine, works with one phone. You can pair one phone and it works fine. The battery life is good, so no issues with that. The sound quality, this actually has a lot of bass. It's not too overpowering, so the mids are balanced. The treble is a little emphasized, little bit, not much, and the bass is emphasized a little more than normal, but it's not overpowering. It does not I mean, even if you go beyond 70%, this one sound is not going to hurt your ears like the other one that I showed. This one, the A08B, this one has a little more treble, this one has a little more bass, because this is more of a exercise earphone where bass is emphasized on. So that way I like this. So that's it. That's all that I wanted to talk about. Rest you can actually decide for yourself. I've told you what this does. Now it's all personal preference. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.